A recent study found that 85% of jobs are filled through networking. If you're looking for a job, you can't afford not to network. But making new connections is also the key to unlocking new opportunities at any point in your career. In this video, we'll cover networking fundamentals for both beginners and experienced professionals. There are some popular misconceptions about networking. It's not just about schmoozing at fancy events. Like any relationship, networking is about building genuine connections that offer mutual benefits. The more you put into building these relationships, the more you'll get out of them. Here are 3 tips to network like a pro. Be yourself, professionally. Authenticity is key, and people can tell when you're not being genuine with them. While you don't want to get too personal, you also shouldn't hide the real you. Unless you're a professional actor, eventually you'll get tired of playing a character. My next tip is to remember reciprocity. As with any relationship, networking is a two-way street. Offer to help where you can, and be generous with your time and knowledge. When you offer value, people will be more likely to keep you in their circle. And my third tip is to be consistent. The truth is you won't click with everyone you meet, and that's okay. By regularly attending events or connecting with your network, you'll give yourself more opportunities to make new connections and develop lasting relationships. These 3 tips apply whether you're networking online or in person. The advantage of networking on sites like LinkedIn or other social platforms is that you'll have access to a wider range of people that might be nearly impossible to bring together in real life. Remember, networking is a marathon, not a sprint. By following these tips and genuinely investing in your connections, you'll unlock a world of opportunities and pave the way for a fulfilling career. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Career.io's YouTube channel for even more expert advice for professional development. Thanks for watching.